Hello, fabulous fashionistas over 60. Ready to redefine style and embrace elegance at any age? Join me as we uncover the secrets to timeless fashion and chic sophistication. Get ready to revamp your wardrobe and celebrate your incredible self. Let's dive into the world of fashion for the young at heart. In a world of fleeting trends, there's one timeless garment that transcends age and exudes elegance: the kimono. For women over 60, the kimono offers more than just a fashion statement. It's a symbol of grace, sophistication, and cultural appreciation. With its flowing silhouette and exquisite craftsmanship, the kimono drapes the body in effortless beauty, flattering every curve and accentuating natural grace. The kimono, a timeless classic. Why choose a kimono? The kimono is versatile and timeless. Its design is perfect for both casual wear and special occasions, making it a staple in any elegant wardrobe. How to style a kimono? Pair your kimono with simple, understated pieces to let its beauty shine. Think of a sleek black dress or tailored pants and a plain top. The kimono adds a layer of sophistication and makes any outfit more interesting. Benefits: the kimono's flowing design is forgiving and flattering. It accentuates your best features while providing a comfortable fit, making you feel both elegant and at ease. Why wait? Embrace the allure of the kimono and unlock a world of timeless elegance at any age. True elegance knows no age limits. Essential tops for women over 60. Flattering tops are a wardrobe essential for every woman, regardless of age. They highlight your best features and boost your confidence. Let's explore some elegant and classy tops perfect for women over 60. 1. Silk blouse. Why choose a silk blouse? A silk blouse is a timeless piece that adds instant sophistication to any outfit. Neutral colors like ivory or champagne are particularly versatile and chic. Look for silk blouses with delicate details like pleating or subtle embroidery. These elements add elegance without overwhelming the look. Pair your silk blouse with tailored trousers or a pencil skirt for a polished appearance. 2. Wrap top. Why choose a wrap top? A wrap top is incredibly flattering as it cinches at the waist, creating a beautiful silhouette. This style accentuates curves and provides a feminine touch. Styling tips: opt for wrap tops with draped necklines or flutter sleeves for an extra dose of elegance. These tops can be paired with both skirts and pants, making them a versatile addition to your wardrobe. 3. Boat neck sweater. A boat neck sweater exudes classic elegance and can be dressed up or down. Luxurious materials like cashmere or merino wool elevate this simple piece into something special. 4. Lace blouse. Why choose a lace blouse? A lace blouse adds a romantic and feminine touch to any ensemble. The intricate patterns of lace can make even a simple outfit look sophisticated. Styling tips: pair your lace blouse with tailored trousers or a pencil skirt to balance the romantic top with a structured bottom. This combination is perfect for both daytime and evening events. General fashion tips for women over 60. Invest in quality fabrics. High-quality materials like silk, cashmere, and fine wool not only feel luxurious, but also enhance the overall look of your outfit. Focus on fit. Ensure your clothes fit well. Tailored pieces provide a more refined and elegant appearance, enhancing your natural silhouette. Accessorize thoughtfully. Accessories can transform an outfit. Scarves, statement jewelry, and stylish belts add personality and sophistication. Stay true to your style. While it's fun to experiment with trends, always choose pieces that resonate with your personal style and comfort. Your confidence will shine through when you feel good in what you wear. By incorporating these elements into your wardrobe, you can create looks that are not only fashionable but also exude timeless elegance and confidence. Embrace your fabulous self and celebrate your style at any age. 1. Tailored button-up shirt. A tailored button-up shirt is a cornerstone of timeless elegance in any woman's wardrobe, especially for those over 60. Its crisp lines and structured silhouette effortlessly exude sophistication. When selecting a button-up shirt, pay attention to the fit. Opt for styles that embrace your curves without being too tight. Look for subtle details like French cuffs or a pointed collar, as they add a touch of refinement to your ensemble. Whether paired with tailored trousers for a professional look or with jeans for a more casual vibe, a well-fitted button-up shirt always makes a statement too. Tunic top. For comfort without sacrificing style, a tunic top is a must-have for women over 60. Its flowy silhouette offers both freedom of movement and flattering coverage. When choosing a tunic top, consider the neckline. Opt for styles that highlight your best features, whether it's a V-neck to elongate the neck or a scoop neck to draw attention to your décolletage. Look for subtle embellishments like embroidery or beading, as they can elevate a simple tunic to a chic ensemble suitable for various occasions. 3. Embellished tank top. Inject a dose of glamour into your wardrobe with an embellished tank top. Perfect for adding sparkle to any outfit, this versatile piece can be dressed up or down effortlessly. Opt for tank tops adorned with sequins or beads for an instant touch of sophistication. Pair it with tailored trousers or a skirt for formal events, or layer it under a cardigan for a more casual look. The key is to let the embellishments take center stage while keeping the rest of your outfit understated. 4. Draped blouse. Create an air of effortless elegance with a draped blouse crafted from soft, flowing fabric. The gentle draping of this style complements a woman's figure gracefully, offering both comfort and style. Look for blouses with interesting draping techniques or asymmetrical hemlines for added visual interest. Whether worn with a pencil skirt for the office or with jeans for a lunch date, a draped blouse adds a touch of sophistication to any ensemble. 5. High neck blouse. For a refined and polished look, consider incorporating a high neck blouse into your wardrobe. This style exudes sophistication and can easily transition from day to night. Look for blouses with delicate details such as ruffles or pleats, as they add a feminine touch without overpowering the overall look. Pair it with tailored trousers or a skirt for formal occasions, or dress it down with jeans for a chic yet relaxed vibe. The versatility of a high neck blouse makes it a wardrobe staple for women over 60. 6. Peplum top. Accentuate your waist and embrace your femininity with a peplum top. This flattering style features a fitted bodice that flares out at the waist, creating an hourglass silhouette. Opt for tops with structured shoulders and a flared hem for a polished and sophisticated look. Whether paired with trousers for a professional setting or with a skirt for a special occasion, a peplum top adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. Incorporating these timeless fashion